Once again, we are in farmers market at Mountain View, and we have just parked our vehicle. My wife and son, they have moved ahead, and I am following them. Let's see what is up for sale here. The scene is just like India. Here also people, they come in hoods to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. The rates are little on the higher side always over here also, and this will give a fair idea to the viewers abroad, particularly in India, as to how costly the vegetables and other things are available here. But overall, it's a nice atmosphere, cozy, and let's now go and have a look.
All piece is going to be a donut. Would you like to try something?
Yes, cherry tomatoes in all colors, green color, red, yellow, figs. And this is cherry tomatoes are costing $7 per basket. Now this is up for $7. Okay, dry framed. These are all certified California grown fruits. This avocados 5.50 per pound, and mandarins $4 per pound, half a kg. And then this is something, summer squash. This is something I've never seen in India. Something different. Lemons and cucumbers $4 per pound, half kg for about 320 rupees in Indian value. Then we have watermelon, seedless per pound $2, around 150 rupees for half a kg. And the things look quite costly over here. Like something onions, something strange, lemon cucumbers. Looks like lemon, tastes like a cucumber. And for bada महंगा यार, half kg in 300 rupees. This is something that we call in Punjabi chippers. That is costing here 300 rupees for half a kg are available free of cost in India. Let me taste the fruits which are available over here. Give me one bit.
Yeah, absolutely.
These vegetable plants are also available.
Moringa का 15
The curry leaf plant $25 का. $25?
मोरिंगा देखो
Plant, small one for $15. This plant costs 2,000 rupees. Moringa. Curry leaf. ये तो मेरे को लग रहा है उसका, ये उसका न्यू हर्बल. बस ये शिमला मिर्च लगी हुई है इसको छोटी सी. Huge size here. This is $5.5 per pound. This one is 450 rupees in Indian rupees, $5.5 per pound. Half kg का रेट है 450. लेकिन the size is huge, wonderful. Nectarines again the same rate. These are all blueberries. Avocados $2 each. That's around 150 rupees. This is $6.5. $6 means the smallest one. That's around for 500 rupees. A bucket, a small one, around 150 grams, 200 grams. These cherries are available for $20 per bucket. $6 per bucket. Organic. $6. That's around $4.50 per bucket available over here. I have never seen such a huge variety of mushrooms which were available over here. They are around $5 a bucket. That's around 400 rupees. Beautiful colors, beautiful shapes and sizes. And this lot of wash also. This is another variety. That looks like gobi. Ugly stuck. 5%. Baby stuck. Nectarines $3.50. Aటు they are 300 रुपया की 300 रुपया per pound. Everything sells here for in pounds only. This is another shape. It's a different shape altogether. Different shape. Nectarines. This peach basically, not nectarine but peach. Mixed match, all fruits. $3.5 per pound. 300 रुपये का half kg. I am unable to understand why the size of onions and potatoes are always huge over here. Everything, you go anywhere in the world, you find almost the same vegetables everywhere. With a little variation, the same things are available.
Never been here and it's amazing.
Here they always offer, you cut fruits for tasting, whether you buy or you don't buy it, but everybody, all Americans, Indians, all people, Japanese, they come here and eat and enjoy the fruits. And all kind of dry fruits are available over here, cherries, then almonds, then apricots, then peaches, and
And it's called a lipstick. It doesn't matter. I put mine on this one. So then when Josie metal is the same.
walnuts. Walnuts, the prices is 15 ounce for $10. 15 ounce हो गया 800 रुपए के. Cider made from start your day right now. Free cider flight. यहाँ पर people drink in the morning. Cider which is considered to be healthy. Then just honey is available over here. Let me check if I can find out the prices of honey over here. 24 ounce for $25. Then dried dates are available over here. Dried dates are $8 per pack, small one. Then vegetables, warm fresh vegetables, different shapes. I don't know what exactly is it. Maybe it is tomato or something else. I can't make out. But then vegetables and fruits. Fruits are always available there. And these plants are available. All the plants for $15. $15 means 1,200 rupees per plant. Vegetables. Mushrooms, gobi. Carrots. Potatoes are different colors, sweet potatoes. Red plus and some varieties of kira. Bangan, hari mirch, karela. See the size of karelas over here. This is one karela.
Okay, that's fine. I can use some of that.
Things over here. Dim sum, $10, 800 rupees, and there are the varieties and sizes, just see dumplings. Selling, different kind of dumplings with different stuffings, and but they keep the things hygienic. ये इन्होंने लकड़ी के ये बना रखे हैं जो स्टोरेज के हैं, और ऊपर उसमें एरिएशन के लिए भी दिया हुआ ऊपर जाली टाइप है. बट सी ब्यूटीफुल दिस लुक. Huge varieties, bakery items, chickens and eggs, non-vegetarian counter. Nadam liking with huge variety.
Maybe it's just in my head.
Preparations, drinking preparations from chocolate. This is something they call it natural juices, other things. Then again, something to eat, bakery. Naan, garlic naan, plain naan. One garlic naan is up for $7. $7 is around 600 rupees. Surprised to find the samosa is also available. Veg samosa for $3. That's 250 rupees. And other things, you know. Is blueberries. Small one for $4. That's around 350 rupees. Then this oranges and the drinks made with oranges. Then counters selling seafood, various hues, kinds, types. Cheese available over here for American cheese. Swiss goat cheese is available for sale here. Sun is entertaining the people. This is the way people back over here. Vineyard, you know, wine, Dancing Crow, vineyard. Again, bakery items. But the things are Indian rupees. If you convert, these are all costly. For example, this one, $4. $4 means 350 rupees. About these are samples, you know, carrot laden with something, maybe chilies, then और भी चीज़ें सबके ऊपर चीनी मुझे लग रही है. Then we have these cherries, $7. We have asparagus, that's up for $7 bundle. We have green beans, $5. Per pound, everything sells for pound only. This is Brussels sprouts, $5. Peas,